It's called an R2-Walker.
What?
You and your partner are building one of these together, all right? So the first person in your group who comes up, look at the pieces. Look at what you need. Then you come over to our stations and grab the materials that you need. You do not get a battery pack to see if it walks or not until you build this first.
Teachers in the room, you can help. You can coach.
Keep going, keep going. It's not a race, it's about quality. Keep going.
You guys got it to work.
We need more support.
Let me tell you something about engineering. Engineering is about re-engineering. You have to be ready to start again if it's not right. So let me start here. Look at pieces. Everybody in this room can eat an elephant. One small piece at a time. You can't eat the whole elephant. As we're doing these design build projects, take your time. It's not a race. It's kind of a race, but it's a race around quality, how well you build.